Today the day 3 and we learn the doubling. Okay.
Okay.
See, that means the day 3. And firstly, tell me any problem the addition and subtraction.
No.
It's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we learn the doubling and having press. Doubling and doubling means the double. Randomly double anything like 2. So 2 double will be 4,
Oh,
right? 4
yes, ma'am.
double is 8. 8 double is 16.
Yes,
16 double is
हाँ
32, right?
yes, ma'am.
32 double is 64. That is this method we call the doubling. Okay.
Okay.
Basically, in those methods, we are using the multiplication and the division. Okay. If
Okay.
we using the doubling, so that means the multiplication, and using the having, that means the halving, that means the division, because halving means the half. For example, 62 half, sorry, 64 half is 32. 32 half is 16. 16 half is 8. 8 half is 4. 4 half is 2. Doubling, halving is the opposite of doubling. Okay.
Okay.
So first we learn the doubling trick. Fast doubling trick. Fast doubling trick में first we know the doubling basic. Doubling basic. Doubling basics means always using the multiply by 2. That means the multiplication. And break multiple of constant. Okay. If
Mm.
the higher number you doing is not correct, so break it the complication multiplication. Clear?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
2 point first, doubling means multiply by a number by 2, and second it is usually break down complex multiplication. For example, 16 multiply by 25, right?
Mm.
We don't know 16 tables till 25, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you just doing half of the 16 is become 8, and double of the 25 it's become 50, and 8 50s are 8 8 fives are 40, and one more zero. That is 400 is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Basically, we use the doubling for the difficult things to make easier, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Like 46 multiplied by 2. 46 multiplied by 2. So first step, 2 multiplied by 40, it's become 80, right?
Yes.
40 multiplied by 2, it's become 80.
Mm.
And 6 multiplied by 2, it's become 12. And then add. So answer is 80 plus 12, 92. That
Oh,
is your answer.
oh.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you just write the example and the 2 points in your notebook. Do it. If any problem, so just tell me, okay?
Okay. I'm done.
Okay. Now see how to use this method in the using the place value thing. Place value means you're doing the separate and then combine the result. Okay.
Okay.
For example, same example, the 46 and 2. So first we doing the separate 40 plus 6, right?
Yes, sir.
First 40 multiplied by 2 plus 6 multiplied by 2. And then we com that is the separate and then we combine it. That is 92. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in the other form, we also know that separate and combine rule. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if the two times has never equal like that, for example, the 16 multiplied 2. If one factor is even and another factor is odd. Okay. So how to do this one? See, I just write this. If one factor is even and another factor is odd, then for example, the same example, 16 multiplied by 2. So if we're doing the 16 to the, so answer will be 32. That is fine. But if we divide 16 divided by 2, so answer will be 12.5. So it's little bit complex, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why we're doing the opposite. 25 multiplied by 2, it becomes 50. And 16 divided by 2, so it becomes 8. Always even number subtract, oh sorry, even number divide and odd number multiply. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yes.
For example, okay, just wait. I'm doing some question to you. Then you can solve and give me the answer. Solve this question. Solve this question. 47 multiplied by 2.
94.
How you solve? Explain it.
40 multiplied by 2 equals to 80. 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 40. Then
7 multi 14, not 40.
14.
Hmm.
Then 80 plus 14 equals to 94.
80 plus 14 is equals to 94. Very good. Okay. Now, if the increasing the 3 digit, for example, 125 multiplied by 2. Okay. So, same pattern. First, the separate will be means 100 plus 20 plus 5. Then multiply 100 to the 200. 2 multiply by 20, 40. And 5 to the 10. So that answer will be 250. That is your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just we are doing the 2 multiplication because it's easier. Now we're doing in the mind. Separate and combo both in the mind. Okay?
Okay.
How? Just give me the any question like that, 2 digit, 3 digit, any question. Give the Drishti.
67 multiplied by
Yeah, 67 multiplied by 2, right? So,
mm,
60. 60 to the 60 to the. See, if any number will be 0, so does not fear. Just write 6 to the
1.
12 and one more 0. 120. 120, right?
Yes, sir.
60 to the 120 and the 17 to the 14, right?
Yes.
14. Now just normally add 134. That is your answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I give you the 3 digit number. Just solve in your notebook and give me the answer. Do it.
Two 70.
Answer is
270.
270. Very good. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. to 70. Very good. Now, okay. Now, same question doing but without using notebook and pen. Do in your mind and just give me the answer. I will give the question easy number. Just do it and give me the answer.
48.
48. Very good. Now do one more question. 36 multiply 2. Do it one more question.
72.
72. Very good. Now we move to the bigger number. For example, 84 multiplied by 2. Now do this one.
168.
168.
8.
Very. Now doing the one question for 3 digit. 156 multiplied by 2. Do it. Then we're going to the halving. Do it. First, separate, then combine. Okay? That is your step. Separate and combine. Any problem? Christy, any problem to solve this question?
Yes, sir.
See, I just divide the thing. First, 100 plus 50 plus 6, right? 100 to the 200 plus 50 to the 100 plus 6 to the
12.
6 to the 12. Then add 100 plus 200 is 300. 312. That is your answer. 312. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now try one more question because it's not. Yeah. Sorry. Try this question. Do it.
Three hundred 44.
300.
44.
Very good. Now we're going to the next halving. Okay.
Okay.
Doubling is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we move to the halving. See, Halving, half means the divide. Half means the
divide.
divide. Okay?
Okay.
Means divide by 2. Divide by what?
2.
2. Very good. So divide by 2 and solve simplest large multiplication या division. Both of them. Multiplication, I already explained, the 16 by 25. Correct?
Yes.
Halving means the dividing a number by 2, and it's very useful to the, for example, 84 divided by 2. So first you solve 80 divide by 2. So answer will be 40, and 4 divided by 2. So answer will be 2. So the final answer is 40 plus 2. It's equals to 42. That is the answer. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah, now write this basic rule of halving in your notebook. Then we explain the more.
Hmm. I'm done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just do the one question, the basic question, the 42 divided by 2. Just solve this one, then we're going to the next part.
Oh. 21.
Very good. Understood how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Now the halving the place digit also. Break and doing. Now how to use in the multiplication? One will be half and one will be double and then multiply it. Okay? For example,
Okay.
36 multiply 25. For example, 36 multiply 25. 36 half will be 16. Multiply 25 double 50. So answer is 800. Okay? And same, if you want, so you're doing again. 16 half is 8 and 50 double is 100. So also answer will be 800, right?
Yes, sir.
In this rule, one number double and one number half. Okay?
Okay.
And double always even number. Double which number? Sorry, double always odd number. Which number? Odd
Odd
number.
number.
And half is even number. Half is even number.
Even.
Okay? Yeah. Due to some issue, I'm ending the class now. But rest of the 20 minutes I give another day. Okay? Maybe tomorrow I give the 20 minutes extra. First, explain the having, then going to the other topic. Okay? Now I am ending this meeting. Bye
Okay.
bye.